Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Today I will discuss on JavaScript. This is my another video on JavaScript, and today I will discuss how to use comment in JS and what is identifier, and also I will discuss 8 different operators which is present within JavaScript like arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, string operator, bitwise operator, ternary operator and type operator. And today I will discuss the first two operators. One is arithmetic operator, another is assignment operator. So go to the computer screen. I will discuss today's topic step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, today I will discuss the another video on JavaScript, and especially today I will discuss like what is comment in JavaScript and what is identifier and also the operators, right? So at first we should learn what is comment in JavaScript. Actually comments are non-executable statements which is used for code readability, means increase the code readability and prevent the execution of the code, right? In JavaScript, we can define comment in two types. One is single line comment and also multi-line comment. For single line, we can use only double forwarded slash, right? And for multi-line, use forward slash asterisk, then whatever the line you put into there and should close or end with asterisk forward slash, right? So in my notepad, I will write the code in JavaScript, okay, and should save in HTML, because we know JavaScript actually reside within the HTML and in the HTML script tag actually, right? And what is an identifier? Identifiers are name used to identify the variables, functions, classes, objects, right? And the rule of legal identifiers are actually what? Beginning means the starting character should be either alphabet or underscore or dollar, right? And after we can use the digit or numbers. But should remember, in identifier is concerned in JavaScript, they are case sensitive, means small a and capital A are different variables, right? So I will discuss this all thing step by step through this notepad and write the program into there. And whatever the operator is concerned, especially the operators in JavaScript are 8 types, right? So I will discuss also, right? So at first we write a HTML code, so just write as a HTML tag. Then we write the body, don't put any head or title tag, just write in the body section. And then just write H1, the heading 1, and just write suppose only comments in JS. Simple, this line should be printed in H1 heading, right? And also suppose put another heading H2, just write Identifiers, right? And also close this H2 tag by font slash H2, right? Now suppose we write the JavaScript, so just write in the script tag, open the script tag, and suppose at first we define the comments for a single line, so just put double forwarded slash and just write here single line comment in JS, right? And for multi-line, just write forward slash and put asterisk, and then suppose write identifiers, and we end the next line. So this is a multi-line is concerned, so just end with asterisk and forward slash. So first one, this case is the single line comment using 2 forward slash, and second one are using as a multi-line, start with forward slash asterisk, this is the starting, and put some lines here, and after should close asterisk forward slash, right? Just define the identifier, just write let a dollar equal 10, and then suppose write let b underscore as suppose 20, then suppose write let $12 equal 45, then suppose write let underscore a2 equal 30. So in that way we are defining that, and then we print. So in that case we are using document.write. So just write document.write, just use the variable name. So just write $1 at first. Second line same way, document.write, the variable name is b underscore. Third one, document.write, suppose we are using here $12 because they are all of the valid identifier or variable name here, because identifiers are the name used to identify a variable, class, function, object, etc. right? And the rule is that the beginning of the identifier should be the underscore, dollar or alphabet, not even a number or digit. After that we can use the digits or the number along with the alphabet, underscore and the dollar, but should remember the identifiers are case sensitive, right? So next one, just write document.write and underscore A2, right? So these 4 variables we are declaring, means 4 identifier. Now close our script tag and then close our HTML tag. Now we save it because the HTML file, so .html should be, so save. So in my desktop, this is a JS folder is there. So suppose put the file name example underscore 4.html, extension should be HTML, right? And save it. And now in my JS folder, example underscore 4 is there, just double click into there. Just see, it prints comments in JS and in H1 heading and identifiers in the H2 heading, but the value is given but in contiguous. So in that case what happened, the values are just provide here contiguously because we don't put any BR tag here. So in that case for line break we put within double quote BR. Each and every line is concerned is a line feeder, means break the line. So just put the BR within double quote after every variable name within angle bracket. And the last one the same way, within double quote angle bracket BR, angle bracket close, double quote end. So again we save it, just go to file and save. So now we go to this browser and reload the page again. Just see, whatever the variable $, what is the value 10, print, b underscore, it print 20, $12 45 is 45 is given, and underscore A2 is 30 is given, means all of the valid identifier is there, right? Suppose we put here another variable which is illegal. How illegal? Suppose we put 1, then put $, then put A, because we never start any identifier with a digit. So if we put that, suppose put 23, and we just change the variable, we don't write anymore, so just write $1 A, so it never print. Why? Because this is not a valid identifier. So if we save it again and again reload it, just see, it doesn't print anything. Why? Because it's an error actually, this one is not valid identifier, right? So in that way you should remember, for valid identifier is concerned, the beginning or the start character should be alphabet, underscore or $. Any more other special character is not applicable. After that you can use digits or number along with the $, underscore and the alphabet. For identifier is concerned, uppercase and lowercase 2 are different in JavaScript, means small a and capital A are different, right? So we already discussed about the comments and the identifier. Now we talk about the operators. In JavaScript there are 8 types of operators are there. One is arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, string operator, bitwise operator, ternary operator and type operator. And today I will discuss the first 2, one is arithmetic operator and this is the assignment operator, right? So just show within the screen what are the different arithmetic operators are there, like plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, increment and decrement. So these are all the arithmetic operators which are used in JavaScript. So I will discuss one after another, right? So just within this script is concerned, we just change it. So just write here only arithmetic operators in JS, and don't put this heading here. Script is okay, and don't put any more, this part is there. So we put here new one. So suppose just write let a equal 10 and take another variable let b equal suppose 5, right? And now we use the operator for arithmetic is concerned, just write C equal, at first the addition A plus B, and then suppose write let D equal A minus B, and then suppose use let E equal A multiplication B, then suppose use let F equal A divided B, then suppose use let G equal A modulus B, and then suppose use let H equal A exponent B, and put space here, it looks better. And after we are using another operator, increment and decrement, suppose write I equal, just write plus plus A, and then write let J equal, suppose write minus minus B, right? And if we print the every part, so now we just put the value here. Suppose at first we want to print C for the addition, then suppose D for subtraction, then E for multiplication, then F for division, then G for modulus, H for exponent, and I for increment, and J for decrement, right? So the value should be printed for summation, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, increment, and decrement, right? So if we save this file again in the same file, example underscore 4.html, and this file is already open in the browser, so just reload it. So it's just print in that way. For addition is concerned, A is 10 and B is 5, so 10 plus 5 is 15, 10 minus 5 is 5, 10 into 5 is 50, 10 divided 5 is 2 for quotient is concerned, and for modulus is concerned, the remainder, so remainder is 0. Next exponent, 10 to the power 5 is 1, then 5 zeros, then plus plus A, it increment only one value, so 10 is there, so 11, and 5 is there, so minus minus B is decremented one value, so 5 from it 4. So these all are the arithmetic operator which is present within this JavaScript: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, increment, and decrement, right? I hope you have understood this. Now we talk about the assignment operator. So just show in the screen, these are all of the assignment operator like equal, plus equal, minus equal, multiplication equal, division equal, modulus equal, exponent equal. So these are all of the operators which are used as an assignment operator, right? Normally the assignment operator are used with the arithmetic operator, right? So if we talk about this assignment operator, so just write assignment operator, right? Now if we talk about this assignment operator, in that case just write suppose A plus equal 2, right? So new A value is what? 10 plus 2 will be 12. Actually, if we write here the single line comment, what actually does A equal A plus 2, right? And now suppose we take another variable here, suppose write let R equal 3, right? And in that case, suppose we take another assignment operator, B minus equal 4. So in that case, last B value is 5, so 5 minus 4 will be 1, so new B value will be 1. If we do in that way, R double asterisk equal 2, so R last value is 3, so 3 to the power 2 means 9, right? Now if we print this, so just write document.write, just write A comma and use this new line, means break the line, so BR tag used. Same way document.write, just use this B comma, within double quote just write, within angle bracket just write BR for line break. And same way suppose we write document.write, we just print here R comma, within double quote just write within angle bracket BR, right? And save it. We save same file example underscore 4.html. So just go to this particular JS folder, example underscore 4, just double click into there. Yes, just see assignment operator in JS, this is the H1, so that's why it print in that way in heading 1, and A value is 10 and we use the assignment operator plus equal, so 10 plus 2 is 12, B minus equal 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, and R last value is 3, 3 to the power 2 is 9, and this equal is also the assignment operator, right? And now if you use the rest of that for other cases, suppose we use here multiplication, so just write here suppose multiplication into there, or suppose here we using this division here, right? So we can do same way, and again if we reload it, the value is just changed into there. The addition is okay, and after we use that multiplication, b into 4, last b value is 5, 5 into 4 means 20, and in that case r equal to 3, so r divided by 2 means 3 divided by 2 in fraction 1.2. The question is the fraction part is concerned in division, right? So in that way the assignment operators are in JS, right? I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple. What is comment, how to use it, what is identifier, and what the legal rule for identifiers in JS, and what are the different operators. Today I have discussed specially on two different operators. One is arithmetic operators and another is an assignment operator. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arquin for more videos is concerned. Today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.